Best English practice.
Conversation 1. Meeting at the cafe.
Hi, Tom. Good morning.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. It's a beautiful day.
Yes. The weather is perfect. I like sunny days.
Conversation 2. Talking about coffee. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, I do. I always drink coffee in the morning.
Same here. I can't start my day without it.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I like black coffee. It's strong, but good.
I like cappuccino. I don't like strong coffee.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Conversation 3. Daily routine chat. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
That's early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
I woke up at 8. I wanted to sleep more.
I know that feeling.
Conversation 4. Talking about work. Do you work today?
No, I don't work on Saturday.
That's good. You can rest.
Yes, I need some time to relax.
What do you do at work?
I work at a clothing store. I help customers.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I meet many people.
Conversation 5. Weekend plans. What are your plans for the weekend?
I will go to the library this afternoon.
That's good. What will you do there?
I want to read some English books.
Great idea. Reading helps with learning.
Yes, I want to speak better English.
You are doing well already. Conversation 6. Hobbies and interests.
What do you do in your free time?
I play the guitar and go for walks.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like watching movies and listening to music.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and drama.
I like action movies.
But that's cool. We should watch a movie together sometime.
Sure, let's plan it. Conversation 7. Talking about friends and family.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother.
That's nice. I live alone.
Do you like living alone?
It's okay, but sometimes I feel lonely.
I understand. We can meet more often.
That would be nice. Thank you.
Conversation 8. Making plans. What do you think about going to the park tomorrow?
That sounds great. What time?
Maybe around 3 p.m.?
Okay, I will bring some snacks.
Awesome. I'll bring water and a ball to play.
I like that. It will be fun.
Conversation 9. Talking about learning English. You speak English very well.
Thank you. I try to practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
I watch English videos and talk to friends.
That's great. Keep going.
I want to speak fluently one day.
You will. Just keep practicing.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome anytime. Conversation 10. Saying goodbye. I had a great time talking with you.
Me too. It was a nice conversation.
Let's meet again next weekend.
Yes, let's go to the park again.
Okay. Have a great day, Lisa.
You too, Tom. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.